The mission was to complete that front entry and that front room.
It's all about the first impression. The first impression can make a guest want to stay or leave.
You ready?
Let's do it.
Ready.
Let's go.
Welcome to the Heritage Homestead.
Okay, okay.
Whoa.
Oh, hey now.
It's warm, it's got that heritage vibe.
My first impression when I'm walking is it's minimal, but it's functional.
You like that gray kind of leathered stone there? It's just enough area to get in here, leave your boots, makes it easy for cleaning.
Oh,
I was not expecting this.
this space is really cozy.
They decided to create the feature wall, turn it into more of a library.
This looks fantastic. It looks clean and modern and straight. The carpentry looks great.
Having the pull-out sofa in here makes this an extra bedroom, increases capacity. That's a nice added touch. So this
All
is
right.
Melissa and Shannon. Let's see how they did this week.
Oh, now we're
So
talking.
this must be the place.
This will be the photo.
That's got some energy to it.
I love the arches. I like the feel when you come in here. Okay, we got a bit of storage there.
Into their front room. Let's take a look. Whoa!
There we go.
Whoa! That is a sunburst of fur. Their bonus build challenge was to create the feature wall.
You have storage underneath the shelves.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good.
Now, Melissa and Shannon did use prefab cabinets. It's a great idea as far as workload for the cabinets.
But you know what's catching my eyes? Right here. I like it.
I feel like they've accomplished the assignment.
All right. Oh, wow. You can't miss this wallpaper.
That's got a good energy when you first come in.
I love the fact that the bench is like seamless with the wallpaper.
They decided to go fully open.
And now this is the front room.
Wow.
I feel the vibe in here.
The vibe, and that's,
There's
I
a
think
vibe.
that's what they're shooting for. This is an area that Rashid and Jake said they want to reconnect. They want to take some time just for the adults.
They really nailed it playing into the architecture of the space. That vaulted ceiling feels even better
Yeah.
when it's got all that slat on it and the faux beams.
Super happy to see this.
Vibe, the style. I love it. They nailed it. Oh.
Wow. They've just left a bit of a half wall, which is actually nice. You can hang your boots and your gloves. They're thinking about all seasons.
It's joyful here. It's colorful.
You feel greeted just by the space itself. You've got the coffee station, the tea station, the open concept.
You have that beautiful bench.
This could accommodate a lot of people.
This will photograph really well. Pose a little bit here.
Are you sure you want me?
Let's have some tea. Beautiful.
The fact that you pulled out your camera tells us that they nailed it.
It's gonna be very tough.
Is this enough for them to win this challenge? Let's figure it out.
Let's find out.